Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you a quick little video of how you disassemble your gauge cluster on a Ford Fusion or a Ford Escape. Got the 4 screws right here on the back side of the gauge cluster. We got them already removed, and then you undo the front clips. And there's 2 clips, one on the right side of it and one over here on the left. Undo those 2 clips and you can pull the cluster right apart. Alright guys, we got both those clips right there undone on each side of the gauge cluster. Now you can simply and gently lift it off, and don't touch the inside of the plastic so you're not getting fingerprints on it. You can set it right off to the side. And there you go, guys. That's how you pull that off, so you can disassemble your gauge cluster. Hope y'all find this video useful. Like I said, this is on a Ford Focus or a Ford Escape, so you can disassemble it, whether you're having to replace the tachometer or your fuel gauge, or the whole assembly, or the LCD screen, whatever you're having to do this cluster. That is how you take apart the cluster so you can replace these items. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Y'all have a great day.